21. I used to be a dancer, and in 2011 I had an injury to my knee that I landed the wrong way after a jump and kind of twisted my knee inward. They said that was like a tear to the meniscus, so I was on crutches for about 2 months. Didn't do a surgery. I've just been doing physical therapy like once a year since 2011, and the injury kind of kept coming back. So now fast forward, and I'm just kind of tired of walking with the knee pain, going up and down the stairs. So yeah, I did some research, kind of gave up on physical therapy for a while. It wasn't working, but you know, my dad had an ACL injury and got the surgery, and he wouldn't kind of recommend it, so I was looking for alternatives to the surgery. I've heard of platelet-rich plasma, and when I came here, you know, I had a great first consultation. Everything was very in-depth and thorough. Looked at the MRI. We're kind of going down the route of stem cells, and eventually we ended up on platelet-rich plasma. So excited to get the first session done today, and yeah, hoping to feel better.